why is BTT exploding past $1 billion in market capitalization, and where is this potentially going? Is it too late to buy BTT? If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn the notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So in this video, we're going to be diving in at BTT on CoinMarketCap. We're going to be looking at TradingView, and we're also going to be looking at a news article on why BTT is pumping and where this can potentially go. We could see, first of all, right now that the whole crypto bubble is in green. Everything is looking fantastic. Everything is looking beautiful right here, especially against the US dollar. But if we have a look against Bitcoin, we are seeing most of the cryptos right now up against Bitcoin, which is obviously very, very, very bullish, because we know Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader. And when altcoins are going up against Bitcoin at a very, very high pace, as we are seeing right now, that means that we could be potentially getting ready for a massive altcoin season. So that is what's happening right now. Now let's have a look at some of the news real quick. So why is BTT exactly pumping? So the sudden surge in BTT value seems tied to the monumental achievement of Tron, the blockchain of which BTT is issued, hitting a 200 million users. Remarkable 200 million users led by Justin Sun, Tron's founder. The network milestone celebration sparked an enthusiastic response. Sun highlighted rising adoption of stable coins, particularly USDT, within the Tron ecosystem, emphasizing its growing significance. So obviously, guys, 200 million users is not peanuts. It's a lot of people, and it's obviously fantastic. And obviously, this is just the beginning. So having a look right here at CoinGecko, we know that BTT BitTorrent is built on the Tron ecosystem. We could see right here, the contract is on Tron. Of course, it has Tron scan. It's available on Ledger. We know that the market cap is sitting at $1.05 billion. Okay, so over $1 billion market cap. If we have a look a couple days ago, we could see that BTT was below $500 million. So this thing absolutely skyrocketed, of course, in the past couple of days. We could see this is absolutely going parabolic. I mean, there's no question about that. And of course, this is obviously a very, very blind. So total volume traded is $330 million. Obviously pretty great. Supply under no, it seems like this is trillion. 951 billion 421 million 714. No, that's 951 trillion, it looks like, because the price is currently sitting at 0.000000108, up 41%. So BTT is a top 100 cryptocurrency. Obviously, you could go on bittorrent.com if you guys want to essentially do your own research about this. But tokenizing the world's largest decentralized file sharing pool protocol with BTT. BTT is a TRC20, of course, Tron, like USDT, Tron 20 utility token based on the blockchain that powers features of the most popular decentralized protocol and application in the world. dApps powered by DTT, including BitTorrent, Speed, BitTorrent file system, and others in the pipeline. So this is a service right here. If you guys want to learn more, of course, you could do your own research and due diligence on that on your free time. But you could see right here, I mean, they're listed on almost every exchange, going from Binance to Huobi to Bitfinex to KuCoin, OKX, and etc. So it seems like this needs to be updated. OKX right here. I mean, this is the very old logo of OKX. But yeah, that's what's happening right now. We're going to be diving and having a look at TradingView to see the all-time highs and a potential price prediction for BTT. So having a look right here at BTT on the daily time frame, or 4-hour time frame, I guess you can say, you could see right here that there wasn't much action. If I pop up the volume right here, the volume was literally 0 to none before Wednesday, December 6th. We could see right here that this thing has just been pretty much dead. Everything has been dead. You could even see that the 4-hour candle are pretty much ugly, pretty much consolidating, going sideways. And now we're finally seeing real action, real candle happening right here, followed by a massive parabolic and a correction. And the big question is, are we going to break this resistance? Because if BTT breaks this resistance, I know BTT right now is currently up 43% in the last couple of hours, but if we manage to break this resistance, we could be going absolutely parabolic. We could absolutely going parabolic from here, and that's about it. So obviously this is pretty bullish. We know that when we have these candles right here, we're going to look for a correction. People are going to take profit, but guess what? Smart money are going to buy the dip because they know that this is obviously very bullish news. So we could see right here on the weekly time frame, BTT guys, so you could see this is 2022 of January. So this was listed at the beginning of 2021. Not only did BTT break a massive downtrend right here on the weekly time frame, but this is one of the highest weekly volume candle we have seen ever, and we're talking about 100% more than the previous one, even 200% more than the previous one. So can we see a massive surge right here on BTT? And when I'm talking massive surge, I'm not talking about like a 2x return. I'm talking about like a 10x, going to a $10 billion market cap crypto. So we're gonna have to see what happens. We know that the weekly candle does end in 2 days and 12 hours, so we're gonna have to see what happens here. We know that obviously we are a little bit overbought on the stochastic RSI, and we know every time we are overbought, investors will be looking to essentially sell. But you know, when it comes to these cryptocurrencies right here, it seems like they tend to not forget, but they tend to ignore these signs. But if we have a look on the 4-hour time frame right here, it seems like after we had a nice little correction right here on the 4-hour time frame, it seems like the stochastic RSI, at least on the shorter time frames, are ready to make a bigger move to the upside. Now remember what happened right here. We were getting bullish, we exploded 100%, so I wouldn't be surprised if we explode another 100% right here. So obviously this is what's happening right here for BTT. Things are looking pretty darn great in my opinion, but of course guys, Bitcoin is also pumping and consolidating, so you know, that's really helping. We know that the altcoin season will happen when Bitcoin consolidates, not when Bitcoin dumps, right? And not when it pumps. So Bitcoin needs to stay where it is in order to see a massive altcoin boom. And I'm not talking about just about BTT right now, I'm talking about the rest of the altcoins. We are seeing Cardano right now is exploding, Solana has been exploding, Terra Luna Classic, USDC, they're making a comeback, DOT, Matic, everything is exploding. We could see a small altcoin rally right now as I am speaking over the weekend. So that is my quick video guys on BTT. I think we could see a 10x return, seeing surging all the way up to a $10 billion market cap coin. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to